The cut-price retailer is about to up its game in the one area where it trails behind the competition: fresh produce. A new centralized buying model will allow the German retailer to improve the quality of its fruit and vegetables, the company announced on Tuesday. It's a development that should strike fear into Coles and struggling Woolworths, whose "Fresh Food People" tagline is already under siege. From next year, Aldi will roll out its new approach, with long-term, flexible supplier contracts aimed at getting a better deal for fresh produce. Moody's retail analyst Ian Chitter said the change could only be positive for Aldi, and would hit the major supermarkets hard. Fresh food is the key battleground for Woolies versus Coles, and I think anything Aldi does that is positive from a fresh food offer perspective is negative for Woolies and Coles. Quote, Mr. Chitter told News.com. "Oh, Coles is doing better on fresh than Woolworths has of late. I think Woolies is doing some work on that. And Woolworths has historically had a stronger percentage of shoppers shopping fresh. So Coles has been coming from a weaker position. Aldi's popularity has traditionally rested on its cheap, home-brand groceries and bi-weekly special buys offering. Its award-winning cheese and wine selection, along with chocolates, teas and meats, have won the retailer a legion of fans. But fresh produce has not been a star performer to date. Aldi's fresh food offering has, in my perception, been of a slightly lower quality than Woolies and Coles. But anecdotally the pricing seems to be a fair bit cheaper." Quote, Mr. Chitter said, "So if they can get the same or similar quality, and keeping pricing roughly constant, then that would be pretty good for them." Supporting Aussie farmer, Aldi said in a statement that the new supplier agreements were part of an ongoing innovation push, which included store revamps and an expanded product range. Over the past 18 months, Aldi has been trialing a number of in-store innovations to improve the shopping experience for our customers. The statement said, "We are continuing to evolve our store format to provide more space for chilled products such as dairy, and we are overhauling the display of our fresh fruit and vegetables to allow us to expand the range and make products easier to access. We look forward to helping our customers experience Aldi's expanding fresh produce offering and showing them just how much they can save on high-quality Australian-grown fruit and vegetables." While many of Aldi's products are imported from Europe and elsewhere, the vast majority of its fresh product is locally grown. Independent audits have confirmed that 91% of Aldi's fresh fruit and vegetables are Australian-grown. The statement said, "We only source products from overseas when we can't find the product we seek here in Australia. This will not change with the evolution of our produce offering." It said that while the new model would allow the retailer to streamline our buying processes and leverage our expertise, we will continue to work with local produce growers within each state to ensure the freshest possible fruit and vegetables at the best prices. Dana.Macaulay at news.com.au. News.com. Ours privacy policy includes important information about our collection, use and disclosure of your personal information, including to provide you with targeted content and advertising based on your online activities. It explains that if you do not provide us with information we have requested from you, we may not be able to provide you with the goods and services you require. It also explains how you can access or seek correction of your personal information, how you can complain about a breach of the Australian privacy principles, and how we will deal with a complaint of that nature.